Recently, when Google launched Android P, it came with many great features, and luckily, these features are always supported for mostly every Android device. Along with many other changes that Google made in Android P, one of the main change is in the volume slider. Now it's having the same UI which was used in Android Oreo's power button. And the best thing is that a developer created an app which will allow any device running above Android 4.0 to enjoy the Android P volume slider. Even if your device is not rooted, you can still enjoy this app. So hey guys, AP here, you're watching TecknoKing, and once again I'm back with a new video. And in this video, I will be showing you that how you can enable Android P-like volume slider on your Android device. So guys, without any further delays, let's get started. So guys, first of all, head towards the Google Play Store and search for volume slider. Then install the volume slider like Android P from there. The download links will be given in the description box below. After downloading, open this app. This is the paid version of the app. So if you are installing the APK, then make sure that your unknown resources is enabled. So finally, after installing, when you open the app for the first time, you will be asked that this app needs do not disturb access to work properly. So just enable it. Then enable replace hardware volume keys. Now again it will ask you for accessibility service. So again enable it. There are many other features also which comes along with this application, like which slider do you want to show when you press your volume keys. You can select the notification toggle which will be appearing on your notification panel. Then you can change the notification color. Then you can change the notification bar color. Then you can also change the toggle icon color according to your wish. You can even change the position of the volume slider, the duration, transparency, also the volume slider back color and the volume slider icon color, and few other things also. You can customize this according to your wish. So guys, that was all about the setup of this app. Now let's try and check out if it's working perfectly or not. So guys, as you can see that it's working perfectly without any issues. So I will recommend you to try yourself and check out whether it's working perfectly for you or not. And if you are having any kind of problem, then do let me know in the comments below and I'll try my best to help you out. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope you will like this video. And if you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, press the notification bell next to it. So guys, till that, it's AP signing off from TecknoKing. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.